Eurovision greetings and welcome back to my channel. My name is Miguel and I make reaction videos about the Eurovision Song Contest, the show that we all love. And if you're here, I hope you love it. Or you love me and you're just my friend trying to give me some views, and I appreciate that. So I've already reacted to some of the countries, and by a draw, the next one will be Luxembourg. I enjoyed their song from last year, even though I prefer their comeback 2 years ago. Let's see what they bring. We'll watch their national final performance, as I said before, and if you know me, I prefer to see the songs live, so that's what I'm about to get. Eva Maria with Mother Nature. Let's go Luxembourg in 3, 2, 1, play. Mother Nature. In English, then, I assume? Or not? Let's see. Oh, already catchy.
From the start, when all was fun and games, wasn't hard, but all good things can end. Back when I was younger, I planted a seed under the moonlight, and even when there's thunder, I go back when I wonder, who am I? From the ground to the skin, as I'm howling at the wind, in my roots, in the mud, and I leave my head back, let it out, let it in, let it go for my sins, in my roots, in the mud, and I leave my head back. Mother Nature, she knows. Mother Nature,
It's reminding me of another song. Well, I just feel it's a bit generic, but it's not bad. I like the effects. I like this bit. I also like her voice. This part reminds me of some songs from a song. Oh, okay, nice. Play it, girl. Oh, I like a violin. Come on. This is a kind of an ethnic song, sound from the instrumental. I like this. Okay. Nice. I mean, not outstanding, I would say. I don't think it's probably memorable enough, but it's not a bad song, I should say. I like her. I think it's very smooth, very soft as a song. It doesn't hurt. The violin, I think, is just a great extra there, because I love violins. And yeah, I think it was a nice performance with a nice song and a nice voice. Not the best one, but overall, I enjoyed it. For that reason, I will give it 7.5. I think it would be between 7 and 7.5, but I will give it 7.5 because I really enjoyed it. So well done, Luxembourg, for your entry. Let's see what happens at Eurovision. And tell me in the comments below, what did you think about this performance? I will come back for the next video, and I hope you come back with me. Until then, stay safe. Bye-bye.